Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the latest developments from the MADEX 2025 International Defense Exhibition in Busan, South Korea. A state-of-the-art frigate has been officially launched by Hyundai Heavy Industries, HDES, named the HDF 6000, and this is no ordinary warship. The frigate is a symbol of South Korea's ambition to penetrate the global high-end warship market, and more importantly, it has the potential to be part of the Philippine Navy's strategic transformation in the coming decade. So if you are following the developments in the Asian defense industry and our country's maritime future, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with important updates. However, before we delve further into this topic, let us take a moment to reflect that the Philippines' true strength is not only built on state-of-the-art defense equipment, but also on our commitment to clean governance, rule of law, unity in sectarian politics, and literacy in correct information. Amid the increasingly complex geopolitical dynamics of the Indo-Pacific and evolving maritime security challenges, the Philippine Navy PN is now projecting its biggest strategic leap in its modern history. More than just upgrading its fleet, the PN is eyeing something bigger, smarter and bolder, a new generation of air protection frigates designed to counter a broad spectrum of airborne threats, from enemy fighter jets to potential future cruise and ballistic missiles. The move marks a fundamental shift in the Philippines' protection doctrine. It is no longer focused solely on littoral operations or exclusive economic zone patrols, but toward maritime dominance that encompasses the airspace, a domain strategy it has previously shied away from. And amid the search for such a sophisticated warship, one name is emerging: the HDF 6000, an ambitious design by South Korea's Hyundai Heavy Industries, HDA. The HDF 6000 is no ordinary warship. It is the epitome of the vision of a future Philippine naval force that is integrated, flexible, and superior in the maritime battlefield. Displacing approximately 6,500 tons, the HDF 6000 is a heavy-lift frigate designed for power projection and airspace control over the oceans. It is a radical evolution of the 3,000-ton Malvar-class frigates that currently form the backbone of the Philippine Navy, and is best described as a symbol of the transition from a conventional naval force to a modern fleet oriented toward multi-layered defense. The ship is a design blend of two of the ROK Navy's major combat legacies, the KDX-2 class destroyers, and the stealth technology of the KDDX project. This combination results in a strong, stable, and proven hull, as well as stealthy design elements that make it less visible to enemy radars, critical features in modern warfare. The HDF 6000 excels not only in design, but also in its weapons and sensor configurations that can be tailored to the Philippines' operational needs. One of its key advantages is its 48-cell vertical launch system, VLS, which provides the capability to carry medium to long-range missiles. This opens up the possibility of area-based closure, rather than the limited point closure of previous platforms. Furthermore, the HDF 600's design is highly modular, meaning it can be qualified to accommodate ballistic missile defense, BMD capabilities, should the Philippines decide to pursue that path in the future. In a regional context increasingly saturated with ballistic and hypersonic missiles, this option provides a much-needed strategic solution. A close-in weapon system, CIWS, such as the Goalkeeper or Phalanx, could be added for close-in defense against missile or drone threats. Additionally, a 76mm main gun would equip the ship for a land-based bombing or surface fire support role. However, weapons are only one aspect of combat capability. In the modern era, information and speed of detection are the keys to victory. In this, the HDF 6000 showcases another advantage: sensors and combat systems. HDHI offers two main options that can be tailored to the Philippines' needs: a system from European defense giant Thales, or an indigenous South Korean system from Hanwha Systems. Thales' Smart L and Heracles radars are widely used by NATO navies, and have a solid track record of detecting missiles and air targets at long range. Meanwhile, Hanwha offers an integrated sensor mast, IMAST, next-generation AESA radar, and the Naval Shield Baseline 4 combat management system designed to integrate all onboard combat elements into both systems support network-centric warfare, the ability to exchange sensor data and targets with other air units, ships, or ground bases in real time. In modern warfare, this cross-platform collaboration enables fleets to collectively react and collectively counter threats. South Korea's reasons for choosing the HDF 6000 go beyond just selecting a ship, but also strengthening a strategic alliance. South Korea has been a trusted defense partner for the Philippines. From the FA-50 fighter jets that power the Philippine Air Force, to the previous procurement of OPVs and frigates, the cooperation has demonstrated consistency and tangible technology transfer. The Philippines also benefits from a hybrid shipbuilding approach, initial construction in South Korea, and final assembly or modification at domestic shipyards. This strengthens the Philippine maritime industry and encourages technology transfer that is essential for the sustainability of the modernization program. Compared to its competitors, the HDF 6000 certainly does not stand alone. Frigates from Navantia, Spain, or Fincantieri, Italy, also offer modular designs with similar capabilities. However, the HDF 6000 stands out because of its combination of cost efficiency, combat capacity, and South Korea's experience in building a fleet for the harsh and competitive Northeast Asian terrain. Its proven design, availability of modern defense technologies, and close strategic partnership provide added value that cannot be measured by technical specifications alone. Symbol of fleet transformation. More than just a tool of war, the HDF 6000 is a symbol of the Philippine Navy's transformation, from a conventional force to a proactive and flexible force capable of facing future challenges. With this frigate, the Philippines is not only securing its maritime territory, but also sending a message to the world that the Philippines is ready to take on a bigger role in regional security. Will the HDF 6000 become the new backbone of the Philippine fleet? The final answer lies in the hands of policymakers. But one thing is for sure, the Philippine Navy is looking to new horizons, and the HDF 6000 is at the forefront of that vision.